Supreme Court, nag-rule sa property rights ng same-sex couples. Breaking news ito. May bagong ruling ang Supreme Court tungkol sa property rights ng same-sex couples. Ayon sa ruling, ang same-sex couples na bumili ng property together ay maituturing na co-owners kahit na sa isa lang nakapangalan ng titulo. Kahit maghiwalay sila, may habol pa din yung isa. Basta mapapatunayan na may ambag sila pareho sa pagbili ng property kahit gaano kaliit. This is the first time na ang Supreme Court has clearly recognized enforceable property rights in favor of same-sex couples. Kaya masasabi natin na this is a big win for the LGBT community. At sa totoo lang, parang ito na ang simula. We are beginning to see kung saan papunta ang decisions ng Supreme Court. Parang yan na ang trend. Hindi pa ito ka-level ng conjugal partnership or absolute community of property, na kahit walang direct financial contribution, basta na-acquire during the marriage, may share ka. Wala pa tayo doon. Pero from zero recognition to recognized co-ownership based on contribution, malaking hakbang yun. At gaya ng sinabi ko, I think this is just the start.